Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about Predator MDC software. I'll be showing a high-level demonstration of Predator MDC software focusing on charts, reports, automatic, and manual data collection. For more information, please visit our website at www.predator-software.com, select the Software tab, scroll down to MDC, click on the Learn More arrow, and here you will see more detailed information in regards to Predator MDC. So let's have a look at Predator MDC. Predator MDC software can support and collect data from CNC and non-CNC based machines with support for RS-232 as well as Ethernet-based CNC machine controllers. Support your non-CNC machines like bandsaw, drill presses, ATEs, CMMs with our Predator MDC adapter. Predator MDC will automatically monitor and collect data from your CNC and non-CNC machines every second of every minute of every hour of every day. This will be stored in an Access, SQL, or Oracle database. You will then have access to both real-time and summarized data, which will give you access to various different performance metrics. For example, setup percentage. Here we can click on chart, go down to our performance ranking, select by department, then come in here and select our setup percentages. We have many to choose from here. Setup percent, leave our department and allocation open, select OK. We now have the ability to see the percentage of time we have spent in setup for the date range that we've selected. If you would like to look at something different, such as the amount of total cycles in the same date time, simply right-click, select criteria, come to the performance metric pull down, and then click on total parts or total cycles. Click OK. This will now give you the total cycles within that date range that you're searching. Predator MDC gives you the ability to view all of these charts on dashboards in real time. Do this by adding it to an automation file. You simply do this from right-click. We then come in here and click on Add to Automation. You can choose from up to 30,000 different charts and reports for you to be able to choose the best ones to help you run your business. Share your charts by using Predator MDC digital signage, or you can choose the Predator MDC for executive option as well. Here you will see dashboards, charts, and reports, things like productivity summary, machine downtime summary, having the ability to select all machines or specifically select a specific machine. Another thing that we like to show here is the ability to view all machines at once. This is our view machine status. You simply come here, click view, go to our shop floor status, and this is going to give us a shop floor layout view. To see in real-time status of all your machines, you may choose to look at one or all of the machines. This here example is for all your machines. Another option that we have for our digital signage is the view machine list. Come in here and we select on our view machines. This is going to give us the ability to select all of the machines out on the shop floor, or we can select machines from a specific group or cell. In this case here, we have the ability to highlight all of the machines and then deselect or select what is important to us by such things as cycling, for example, and or idle and or tear down. Other charts to view may be charts such as good scrap. Another chart to view could be an hour summary. As you can see here, we're breaking things down by shift. We have our machine hours, our scheduled hours, our production hours, and our cycle hours, all captured by shift and in a specific date. If this saved chart is not in the correct date, or you want to add more to it, simply right-click, select your criteria, and you can even go back to the last 30 days. Select OK. Your chart should reflect those changes. Other charts that you may want to use could be added into your custom folder, or like what I like to refer to as a morning stand-up. In here, you can see things like timeline for all your machines. Within a certain period of time that you've selected, in this case, the last 4 hours, we're going to be able to show the timeline of all your CNC machines. Here, simply left clicking will give us the cycle time, teardown time, and the idle time of all machines. Down here is the legend for what each color means. User downtime. User downtime broken down by cost is going to give us a brief overview of what each downtime costs per the labor rate of each CNC machine. Hour summary by users. This is a user-based. This is going to tell us which users or how long each user spent on each status. The machine hours, scheduled hours, production hours, cycle hours. Another one we like to show is our scrap code summary chart. We then here can look and see what items have been scrapped at each CNC machine and for what reasons. And here in this case, we only have one, so it is a fixturing. Predator MDC software does again give you up to 30,000 different charts and reports for you to be able to choose the best ones to help you run your business. You can share your charts by using Predator digital signage and add charts to the automation as we reviewed, as well as adding and looking at them in the MDC Executive Web Interface. We learned that Predator MDC can monitor and collect data automatically. Let's talk about how Predator MDC collects your CNC and non-CNC machine data automatically. The most preferred method or preferred way is to utilize your CNC machine's Ethernet protocol. That is called our Predator CNC Service Manager. Through the Predator CNC Service Manager, we have various different options to choose from. If you're using a FANUC machine, chances are it may be a newer machine and it may have the focus option enabled on the CNC machine controller. Or it could be Mazax. Mazax tend to use the MT Connect. It could be a Haas with MT Connect as well. Another way that we can monitor and collect automatically is through the MDC adapter. Predator has a hardware piece called the Predator MDC adapter that monitors electrical voltage from the CNC machine from 5 volts up to 220 volts. Each time we see the voltage come high or low or on or off, we then assign a status to that, so that way every time we see that status, it is then put into the database as a cycle and or an alarm. You can add manual data collection to your automated data collection to give you a more complete, accurate look as to how people and processes and machines are performing. Collect MDI by using one of the following. New Events Touch, shown here, gives the operator the ability to give feedback based off of button executions, mouse clicks, and or touch screen. New Events, which is something similar, a little bit more rudimentary, which gives the red light, green light effect. And then we have the Predator Touch HMI interface that can be configured for status updates as well. Please visit our website at www.predator-software.com/Predator Touch HMI software.com. All three have benefits to solving manual data collection challenges. So to review the key points of Predator MDC software, Predator MDC is real-time machine monitoring for software that automatically collects, reports, and charts processes real-time shop floor manufacturing data, including OEE, cycle time, idle time, setup time, teardown time, machine downtime, and more. Predator MDC improves manufacturing by supplying accurate shop floor productivity KPIs and metrics to improve operations and to make better decisions. We do have 3 options to choose from. So folks, today that concludes our web demonstration for Predator MDC software. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to visit us at www.predator-software.com at contacts. Thank you again.